Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! I'm pretty fucking high right now. And that's a good thing. No beer, Coca-Cola. Cheers, Coke ears. So I need to cure my munchies because I'm fucking wasted. And what I'm wasted on today, I acquired some of these synthetic THC pills. They look like this. I guess they're for fucking chemo patients and fibromyalgia sufferers. Well, I took 2 of them. They're 2 milligrams each. Holy fucking shit. 2 milligrams only. They're fucking awesome. Fucking awesome. Alright, so simple, easy, fast, yummy. Especially if you have shit already in your freezer or fridge. Like bacon, already cooked, which I usually do. Just doing grilled cheese with some fucking bacon on it. That's gonna cure my fucking munchies. Margarine. Forget about even using the fucking real butter. Fuck that. The fucking bread of your fucking choice. Lug out. Bitchy McBitchtard. Should have thought about making something before I took these fucking pills. Okay. Butter both sides, or margarine both sides. And I'm using old cheddar and some fucking bacon that I got. That's it. And I know it says Moz, but I'm just reusing the package. Why the fuck not? Shredded old cheddar. Just takes a mere fucking few minutes and you're done. And you can operate the stove while stoned. Fuck! Okay, a little more over here. Pieces of bacon. It's always good to have some bacon that's cooked around. Is it not? One more piece of roux. And then we're gonna fucking cook you. Bitchy. Nice. Good. Eat. Where's the napkin? A little more cheese, I think. Why not? Oh, I like that. It's gonna be good. Sure, it's not as fast as putting in a pizza pocket in the microwave or opening a bag of fucking chips. But fuck that. This will be more satisfying. Wish I had some fucking gravy. There you go, bitchy McBitchtard. Boom. Okay. Clean that off. Put on a lid. And away we go. I'll be back in a few. Woo! I fucking feel amazing. Alright, bitches. Clean up. Move things around. I'll be back. Alright, bitches, it's been a few minutes. Gonna give this a flipperoo. Nice. Leave that on there for a couple more minutes. And we'll be back. Like a monkey on fucking crack. No, I don't do crack. But I do coke. Okay. 2 more minutes and then we'll be over there. Cutting this bitch open. Alright. Cheers, big ears. Refreshing. Woo. Alright, bitches. There you go. Hey, a mosquito. Fuck right off. Missed him. Motherfucker. Get out of my house. Die. Haha. You did die. Motherfucker. The fucking bugs are brutal this year, man. Let's cut this bitchy open. Bitchy. And twitchy. Nice. Nicey, nicey. Cure your fucking munchies with some fucking cheddar cheese, not plastic cheese. And got some fucking ketchup. This ketchup's fucking good. Woo! Right on. Curing my fucking munchies bastard style. I think this is number 22. I think. No matter. Nicely fucking done. Look at that. It's not oozing, but it's good enough. Fuck me. Fuck, that's good. If I was feeling more energetic, I would have grated 2 kinds of cheese instead of 1. But I said, fuck it, I'm wasted. Fucking man. That's good. Another mosquito. Fuck off. Alright, bitches. Easy peasy, pudding and pie. Fuck yeah. One of my favorite fucking stoner snacks. Fucking grilled cheese with bacon. Fucking right. There you go, bitchy. Knocked him. Alright. Get stoned and make one of these. And drink some Coke. Snort some Coke. Do some rails. Line them up, bitches. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Oh, fuck, that's good. Alright, that's all.